So come back to the next topic, next questions of the unit 2 atomic structure. Which one of the following arrangement represents correct order of the least negative to the make a negative electron gain enthalpy for carbon, calcium, aluminium, fluorine and oxygen? It is a 2013 question. Here they have given aluminium, calcium, oxygen, carbon, fluorine to make a negative, that is called electronegativity. Fluorine electronegativity is 4.0, oxygen is 3.5 and carbon is 2.5. So it is a gradually it is a decreases. So here it is given a notice that lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. I already have given now. Like nasty kids, rub cats fur. That's a sentence like hydrogen should come means highly like nasty kids, rub cats fur. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So lithium is 1.0. Next is line is in a period we are seeing beryllium, boron, next carbon. This is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. So here in this family, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. So the electronegativity, it is increased by 0.5 unit. You just see 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0 and 3.5 and 4.0. So totally fluorine has a 4.0. When you compare this francium, it has 0.7. It is very, very less electronegativity. It is a liquid or radioactive. Just we compare only metal of cesium. Even though this cesium has a 0.7, very less electronegativity, but is very more electronegativity is fluorine. So in the question they have given carbon, calcium, aluminium, fluorine and oxygen. I have placed electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5, fluorine is 4.0 and aluminium is 1.5, calcium is 1.0, carbon is 2.5. Here I have placed the first priority goes to fluorine, second priority to the 3.5 answer and third priority to the 2.5 and fourth priority to 1.5 and fifth priority for 1.0. Here the second row will carry, when you take from left to right, it is a 0.33 units to be increased. So here 0.9, 3 increased 1.2. If you increase 3, 1.5. Next carbon, silicon is there. So if you add a 3, it will become a 1.8. Like that it goes. So nitrogen, phosphorus, like that 0.3 will be increased in the left to right in a second period. And this is in this period, in the lithium period, 0.5 units. And sodium period, we are getting 0.3 to be used. So whereas in this, when you compare to this, I have arranged fluorine is greater than oxygen, more electronegative, then carbon, more electronegative than aluminium, and then calcium. These are the order of arranging this. Fluorine 4.0, oxygen 3.5, carbon 2.5, 1.5, I mean 2.5, and then this is comes under 2.5 and 1.5, it is decreases. Calcium has only 1. Identify the wrong statement of the following. Among the isoelectronic species, smaller the positive charge on the cation and the smaller in the ionic radius. So we cannot say the smaller the positive charge on the cation, smaller in the ionic radius. This is a very wrong statement. When you compare this isoelectronic species of greater the negative charges of anion is a larger, correct answer. The atomic radius almost increases as one more down the first group of the periodic table. It is definitely correct answer. And atomic radius of electron decreases as you move across the left to right. It also correct answer. So the very wrong answer is the first one. Next, 2017, the repeated, question is 40 is the value of electron gain enthalpy of Na plus if IE1 of Na is 5.1 electron volts. So if IE1 means removed 1 electron. Here it is a minus 5.1, it is plus 5.1. It is only minus 5.1 because sodium from sodium, when you remove one electron, becomes the Na plus. So it is a 5.1. Means same amount of energy 1B used in a 5.1 minus 5.1. When you add one electron to the Na plus, it becomes a minus 5.1 electrons. If it is a plus and it is a minus. It is a gain enthalpy, means adding one electron. 2017, in which of the following option the order of the arrangement does not agree with the variations are properly indicated against? Here, iodine, fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than iodine, increasing the electron gain enthalpy. It is wrong, because chlorine only should come here, fluorine should go there, because due to the small size, if you add electron, it will have, due to the small size, density of electron will be increases, so it will get a electron repulsion will be takes place in fluorine, so it will not accept any electron. So fluorine should go here, chlorine only should have more, here should come because of the larger size. And it is rubidium is correct answer. And fluorine minus ionic size increases, minus is more than. And the first ionization energy, sodium, oxygen, boron, and family, all this correct. First one only is the wrong answer. It does not agree. The explanation, just you see. Fluorine should go to the place of chlorine. Chlorine should come to the place of fluorine, because this is 3p and this is 2p. Increase the electron gain enthalpy. Electron affinity is wrong, because here, due to the small size, fluorine is a small size, addition of electron occurs, electron repulsion. So it should come, fluorine should goes to the place of chlorine, chlorine should come to the place of fluorine, because fluorine is a more charge, more size. So as the size increases, we can go on, we can add electron, means automatically it will accept. So what that this electron gain enthalpy is more for chlorine, less for fluorine, and less for bromine, and less for iodine. Because from top to bottom, ionization enthalpy is automatically it is increases. So here the gain enthalpy, it is fluorine should have a very less than the chlorine, so it is very wrong. Which is the place should be chlorine should come to the place of fluorine, fluorine should come to the place of chlorine. Due to the small size, it cannot accept the electrons. That is called electron gain enthalpy. So here it is the main thing, atomic, I would say the rule of atomic radii and ionic radii, top to bottom it is increases, but ionization energy and electron affinity and electron negativity, all things will be top to bottom, it is decreases, left to right only, it is an just opposite. So next question, 2016, how many electron can fit in the orbital of n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1? So you just see that the word of orbital. If you see the orbital, simply you write to it, because orbital, almost all orbital, p orbital, x orbital, px orbital, py orbital, pz orbital, or dxy or dyz or dxz or dx square minus y square or dx square z square, everything will have only 2 electrons, not more than 2 electrons. So how many electron in orbital, if they ask, simply you write 2 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching, students.